Your company's moving faster than ever. But is your compliance strategy actually keeping up? Let's start with a number. This is the new average cost for a single data breach in the US.
And a lot of that cost is driven by a hidden vulnerability already inside most companies.
It's called shadow AI. Employees using unapproved tools that create massive data leaks. So, can technology help solve the very problem it kind of helped create? Well, the answer seems to be internal AI compliance bots. Think of them like invisible sentinels. They work tirelessly in the background, safeguarding your most critical areas from any risk.
Okay, but what does that actually look like in practice? Let's break it down.
The whole strategy starts with an idea from the software world called shifting left. Basically, an AI bot catches a violation at the source and blocks it before it creates a risk. This proactive approach also applies to the huge challenge of redacting data in your documents. The goal is a perfect balance. Catch every secret, but don't accidentally corrupt the file. And for marketing, it's a guardrail against risky claims from AI-generated content. This all sounds powerful, but let's get to the big question. What's the actual ROI? Get this. One company saw a 38% cost savings on just one document redaction project. A major health system, they cut their annual administrative costs by a cool $1.3 million. And another case study showed a 70% drop in manual work for compliance tasks. And this is huge. Firms using security AI save almost $1.9 million per data breach. The data is pretty clear. So what are the actual next steps from here? First, you've got to tackle that classic build versus buy dilemma. Building it yourself is crazy expensive and slow. Buying is way faster and you offload the maintenance. Once you've decided, a disciplined 90-day plan can make the rollout a success. The process is simple. You discover, then you govern, and then you scale it up. The whole point is to empower your teams to innovate at top speed, but to do it securely. So the final thought is this: innovation is already happening. Is your organization actually protected?